All right, so I have another unboxing video for you today. We just did one the other day, a triple unboxing. We took a look at three pretty cool watches, only the one this time, so it's going to be just a shorter video. But I spent a little bit of time 2 or 3 weeks ago reaching out to some brands that I've never shown on the channel, I've never experienced in person at all. I need to do this more often, but I guess it's a little bit of laziness on my side of things. Anyways, there is a few of those brands that agreed to send watches for videos. This is the first of that bunch to arrive. It is a smaller brand, but an established brand that's been around quite a while, so I'm pretty excited about it. So let's get to it and check out the watch. Okay, so here it is. I just have to say one thing. I don't know if you guys are hearing this at all, and this has been going on for the last probably 2 or 3 videos. I am bunny sitting right now for my niece Karis. We have a bunny in the house named Bun Bun, also named by Karis, but it is a chewer. It's always chewing on stuff, and if you hear any weird clicking in the background, that would be Bun Bun. Karis wants to make a cameo, my niece, on the channel maybe this summer. Oh no. Oh no. This is gonna be a messy one. Oh man. I mean, the watch is definitely protected in there, that's for sure. Whew. Look at this mess. Holy. Hang on a sec. We gotta clean up on aisle 5 here. Okay. Whew. All right. So I don't know if anybody recognizes this package. I have never seen what the packaging from this company looks like, but actually you can see the brand name right there. Borealis. And the watch, I know what model it is, I just don't know which color. Ooh. Some of the confetti has made its way into the packaging here. Borealis. Now, I do not know if this is a watch that's free or one that is going back. So to be safe, we'll kind of pretend that it is a freebie, and I'll put the paid promotion at the start of the video, but I'm not 100% sure on that at all at this stage. Okay, here we go. Nice. Obviously, bit of a nod to the Black Bay. Nice bezel action. I was looking at the spec sheet online, and they have really got their bases covered. When it comes to the spec sheet, it's a 300-meter diver. There's a bit of a texture to the dial here. 300-meter diver. It's a 9000 series Miyota movement. I think these are available in a date and a non-date version as well. This is a date. With that date placement you want to see at the 6 o'clock. This feels like a really well-made watch. Screw links. Nice. No dive extension, but that's all right. Very cool. Huh, let's take a look at the case back here. Get it to mermaid. I'm pretty impressed. Not sure off the top of my head pricing, but we'll talk about that when I do the full video on the watch. Looking forward to getting this sized up. We've got drilled lugs. That finish work, the polished along the edges. Really nice done, nice sharp lines. Give the bezel one more go here. Nice. Let's take a look on wrist. And here it is on my 7¼ inch wrist. If you got a big wrist, you're going to have no problems with this. I bet you're going to have to take out, probably 5 links to get this to fit. So if you do have a bigger wrist, there's lots of links to spare. So yeah, really looking forward to getting a little wrist time with this one. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already for more content just like this, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.